Hi everybody, this is Bhupinder Tube. Welcome to my channel. Let's test how the noise would be now. So it starts to move. STM type lenses. So this is the 50mm lens with the STM feature on. So let's do the experiment again. So what's the noise level? I hope this video was useful. If it was, put a thumbs up, share, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.